with the air pressure regulator, you can adjust the pressure about say 90-95 psi. This is the air inlet. This is the controller. This is the on-off switch. Now for setting the parameters, you can press this knob. Then you can adjust the squeeze time. Like that. Then this is the weld time, that also you can adjust. For this job you can keep 20 cycles. For welding 8 wires. Then this is the fourth time. Then this is the percentage energy, the current that is required for welding 8 wires of 3.5 mm dia wires. Now this parameter is set for the 8 wires of 3.5 mm wires. This is a weld no weld switch. When you want to weld, put this on weld side and then you can start welding. Now we'll show you how to weld. We'll just